Baby wipes are produced with a high standard. No coloring and flavoring added. Among them, wet wipes made of 100% cotton can be completely degraded and have good hydrophilicity. It is easier to clean. Soft materials are more suitable for babies. So how are the baby wipes produced? The first step is to prepare the raw materials. The raw materials of wet wipes can be non-woven bamboo fiber, organic cotton, fluff pulp, wood pulp, etc. A production line like this needs to install 12 rolls of raw materials. Under the action of tension, the materials enter the folding plate one by one on the material rack to be folded and staggered together. 12 rolls of material correspond to 12 folding boards. Then is the addition of liquid. The liquid can be configured according to your own needs for wet wipes. The next is the cutting. Here you can customize the size. After cutting, the production of wet wipes is completed, and the last step is the packaging. The packaging is also completed by a fully automatic packaging machine to prevent workers from polluting the wet wipes. In this way, the production of wet wipes is basically over. The machine's speed is about 60 to 65 bags in 1 minute. If you want to get more machine details for manufacturing wet wipes, please contact us.